Hey you guys, welcome back to K&KInspiredCreations with Latara. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this adorable carrot cake made of mostly Dollar Tree products. So the way I started this off is I grabbed some foam rounds. You can sometimes find foam rounds at Dollar Tree. You can find them on Amazon, Temu, all that good stuff. I was just trying to find some that were about the same diameter to make it easier to make my cake. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some lightweight DAP Spackle that you can find at the hardware store. You can buy it on Amazon, whatever is easiest. And I'm just going to mix it up and put it on top. The purpose of this is that I'm trying to get them to stick to each other. So I'm going to put a little bit in between each of the little foam rounds or whatever. So if I'm doing a cake that's 4 layers, then I'm going to put it between, 3 of them. If you're only doing 2, you just have to put it between the 1 or however tall of a cake you would like to do. That's how many foam rounds you use. And I'm just, again, putting that there just to keep them together. You can also use hot glue as well, but I already had the spackle out, so it worked. So now I'm taking some Mod Podge and I'm going to take like a foam brush that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put Mod Podge. It doesn't matter if it's, gloss or not. I'm going to put it around all over the cake, the sides as well as the top. And the purpose of that is because spackle does not like to stick to foam at all. So if you were trying to make a cake and you didn't put anything on there to get it to kind of stick, it would just slide off every time and really get on your nerves. So I'm just using a hot gun and I am drying all of this, the Mod Podge. Oh my God, I couldn't think of the word, so that I can go ahead and work on this right now. And so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some more of that lightweight spackle, and I'm going to use some antique white paint from Apple Barrel. You can find this at Walmart. You can find it on Amazon to give it, because I don't want it to be like Snow White. I want it to have a little bit of a color to it, because when it comes to carrot cakes, the icing is never like, white. It's like off-white. So this is like a white parchment kind of color, like an antique color. And you can use parchment. They have that for the Apple Barrel as well. And so, like I said, I'm just going to add some of that paint in there, stir it up. And once I get it completely stirred up, then I'm going to go ahead and add it to my piping bag. And while I'm doing that, I do want to take a moment and thank you so much for watching my video. If this is your first time watching my video, welcome. And if you've watched my video plenty of times, then welcome back. And so I'm just taking it and I'm just putting it all on the very top of the cake. I don't know the best way to ice a cake. I'm still learning. So if you know a better way, then definitely do it that way. But I literally just put a whole bunch on top and then smooth it out, as best as I can. Kind of pushing a lot of the spackle over the edge so that then I can just take the spackle that fell over the edge and just kind of smooth that around the sides of the cake. That's the only way I know how to do it. I've been watching videos to try to figure out a better way to ice cakes, but again, this is really new to me. Like icing a cake is new to me, so I'm just kind of doing it the best way I can. And when I think of carrot cakes, they're not like 100% smooth all the way around, so you don't have to get it perfect. I'm not going to get it perfect. I'm just trying to make sure, the entire cake is coated with the spackle. That's mainly my biggest goal. Not necessarily to get it as straight as possible or as like clean as possible, but just to make sure the whole cake is coated with that spackle. And so I am going to grab some more spackle, add some more of that paint to it, because I need a little bit more to do a little bit for the topping as well. And while I'm doing that, again, I do want to thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're not already subscribed to my videos, please go ahead and subscribe if you like fake bakes and different DIYs and things of that nature. If you're already subscribed, don't forget to like this video. Take a moment and like it right now, because I know that I tend to forget to like videos even though I want to. So go ahead and like it right now. Take a second, pause it, leave a comment real quick, and share if you can. Share it to somebody who likes baking, fake baking, or just somebody who likes to watch videos, I guess. And so again, you see me adding that to a piping bag because I'm about to be doing a little bit of embellishments. Not a lot, but a little bit of embellishments on the very top of the cake. And just to FYI, a lot of the products that I use, like the piping bag, that little pink scraper thingy, tips, piping tips, all of this stuff really can be found at Dollar Tree. That's where I got it, like that peak thing. I got that from Dollar Tree. Piping bags you can get from Dollar Tree. So this right here is a 1M piping tip that I'm using, but like I said, you can find a ton of piping bags, tips, and all that good stuff at Dollar Tree as well. So you don't have to spend a lot of money making stuff like this. So for the top, I'm just going to do a whole bunch of little icing or whipped icing, like I guess little mountains. I really don't know what you would call that. You can see what I'm doing. I don't know what you would call it, but I'm doing it all around the cake because I'm basically trying to make a little border for the inside of the cake. And so for the inside of the cake, I'm actually going to be using fake nuts for the inside top layer of the cake. And so this is actually Cape Cod hamster bedding. It comes in a huge bag and it literally looks like fake chopped up nuts or whatever. So lots of bang for your buck. You can use it on tons and tons and tons of different crafts. And that's pretty much all that it is. And I'm just using this tool, a popsicle stick, just to kind of smooth it out a little bit. I'm a perfectionist, so I'm still trying to smooth it out as best as I can. So I'm grabbing some more spackle. Of course, I'm going to add more of that white antique paint to it as well, to give it the right color. And this is what I'm going to use to make the bottom border of the cake, because you know most cakes have like a bottom border. A lot of times I had like a top border or some type of embellishments on top. So that's what we're about to do right now. And if it's your first time, like, you know, decorating a cake, fake cake, real cake, whatever, practice makes better, I would say. Not perfect, but better. And it's fun. Just definitely try it. It's not as hard as it looks. And here's the final reveal. This is after I sealed the cake with resin, the entire cake, because I wanted to use it as a candle holder. But please definitely in the comments let me know what you think. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will definitely see you guys next time.